This here is the SoundSlayer, the wearable, immersive gaming speaker system. Recently named for CES 2022 Innovation Award honoree in both the personal audio and headphones category, as well as the gaming category, is definitely a first of its class. Now, before we try it out, let's go ahead and rewind and unbox it. So it's got a lot of different movement and flexibility. Now you do have your volume control here on the side, so you have your volume up, down, you have your mute button, and then over here it says sound and mic mode, and then you have an aux cable port as well. This kind of sits on your shoulders like this, and you're ready to go. Okay, let's try this out. So far I have to say, it actually is a really cool sound system. I'm actually almost shocked on how good it is. I mean, this thing is really crisp. And the idea behind not having your headphones on you, this is actually very comfortable, and it's not heavy at all. This is absolutely mind-boggling. Be sure to check out Panasonic online experience for all the cool new tech premiering at CES 2022.